Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you Osmo Pro Vacuum review. So you might be wondering, what is the Osmo Pro Vacuum? So the Osmo Pro Vacuum here is a cordless stick vacuum built around what the brand calls stop suction technology, powered by a 100,000 RPM motor. Now it's designed for cleaning multiple surfaces: hardwood, tile, carpet, upholstery, and pet hair. And some versions add a vacuum and mop function with a built-in water tank and detachable mop pad for simultaneous wet or dry cleaning. Now, it comes with a 6 detachable brush heads for different jobs, a suction nozzle for tight spots like doors and drawers, and dual function brush for absorbing dust and wiping surfaces. Now, a floor brush for larger areas, an extension hose, and extension bars for reaching under furniture. Now, I use a 5-layer filtration system rated to capture particles down to about like 0.3 millimeter. Listed at capturing 99.9% of fine dust and allergens. Noise level is listed around 30 dB. Battery life varies by listing, and figures range from about 30 to 120 minutes per charge, depending on the version. And it can also be used corded for extended runtime. Now, how do you exactly start using this? Well, in this case, typically the routine goes like this. So you just need to charge your battery fully first via the charging port. Indicator light shows red while charging and green when full. Attach whichever brush head fits the surface or task, then turn on the power switch to start cleaning. Empty the dust collection box and rinse or replace filters periodically for consistent suction per the included manual. Now, on the pricing here, well, it's commonly listed around $179, discounted from the $298 to $358 range on the brand's official site. Now, with regional pricing varying slightly, for example, listed around like 399 AUD in Australia, it comes with a money back guarantee though. But yeah, so it's described on the site. So in this case, it's described on the site as unconditional when it comes to the money back guarantee. So that's about it. So for this video, we'll hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.